Cooking in the kitchen, cooking in the kitchen, always cooking in the kitchen. Welcome back. It's been a while.
It's great to be back. We better introduce ourselves again.
Yeah. Hi, I'm Morgan, Jodi's best cooking partner.
Of course. And I'm Jodi, the library director for
Carver County Library.
And we're here to feature a new recipe for you.
A delicious one, might I add.
We're always excited about our recipes, aren't
yes.
we?
We love good food.
So why don't you share a little bit about our recipe, where we found it, all the good things, Miss Morgan.
Yes. So our recipe book today, our cookbook, is Healthy Made Simple. These recipes are super quick and easy. Well, supposed to be. And our author is Ella Mills.
And I believe her blog is called Deliciously Ella. I want to say she's on Instagram too.
Yeah.
So shout out to the Insta followers.
Hey, do you always think that like all these things are now coming in like bowls? Or is it just me?
Oh, like in all the restaurants, everything is like this kind of bowl.
Yeah, like a burrito bowl or this or that.
Or like a super quinoa power bowl.
Yeah.
Well, we feel like, bowls are kind of all the rage right now.
Yes, so that's why we put together a bowl today.
Yes, what's our recipe called?
Chopped Guacamole-Style Salad.
In a bowl.
Again.
And, well, we love guacamole.
Yes.
So.
Love guacamole. And we love salads, so it's a perfect mix.
Right, and we were thinking about recipes for the summer when we want to eat a little bit lighter.
Yeah.
And things that we're growing in our garden as things get ready, and you can make salads and bowls and things with all this yummy goodness.
Yes, delicious.
Definitely delicious.
Definitely delicious. Two words going in my head at once.
Happens all the time.
Yes.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so what are we going to do first here? Or essentially, what are we going to do with our recipe tonight?
Well, we have to make the sauce, and we also have to make all of the yummy goodness, which we have all of our things chopped up already and all that, but because it just was easier. But
right, so let's walk through what's going to go into the salad, into the bowl.
Yep.
And then, like you said, we're going to make there's a dressing that we get to make. And so basically, we're just going to assemble it for you.
Yeah.
And then you can cater it to your liking. You might not like all the things we picked.
So you can add more things, or you can take away some things. Doesn't matter.
Okay, what do we got on the cutting board?
We got some tomatoes. We have some peppers, avocados. We also have some jalapenos. Again, your liking, doesn't matter. Mm-hmm. But we love spicy at our house, so.
Yes, we do.
Yes.
And what else do we have?
We have some pickled red onions, right? Yes.
And literally that took us like 10 minutes. You slice it up and you put in some fresh lime juice and a pinch of salt, and you let it sit for like 6 to 8 minutes.
Yes, yeah.
And boom, you have pickled onions.
Woo!
Cool. What else do we got over here?
We have some cilantro from our garden.
Yes. And did you know, not everyone really likes cilantro, because for some people, it tastes like soap in their mouth. Like there's like a gene in their body. I don't know the science behind it. We should read up on that.
Yes, we should.
So if you're one of those people that's not a cilantro fan,
we get it. Mm-hmm. But also, we are cilantro fans, so we are going to include it in our recipe.
Yes. And there's 2 other ingredients over here that we have.
Yes, we have some
Hi, bud.
black beans and some smoked corn.
Yes.
Delicious.
And the corn, if you have time, like you can get fresh corn on the cob, and you can shave it off and use fresh corn. I mean, there's so many variations.
Definitely.
Or like the cherry tomatoes, if you grow a different variety of tomato, have at it.
Go ahead.
And one of the cool things that has been happening again, this year at the library are the seed library catalogs where you can come in and pick up seeds and plant, and then at the end of the season, share back your seeds that you saved. So,
wow, that's cool.
and a couple of our locations, Chaska and Norwood Young America, have kind of community library gardens that they're growing. So
that's awesome.
Yeah. Oh, what else? One more thing, and then we got to get cooking.
Yes.
What's the big thing happening at the library all summer?
The summer reading program.
Yes, ma'am.
Which I will be doing the summer reading program. I am doing the summer reading program.
Exactly. It's super fun. It's super important.
Yes. You can win a free book or even more.
This is true. Dun, 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 dun.
Done.
All right. So check it out. Everything's on our website, coverlib.org. A lot happening on our Facebook page, YouTube, Instagram.
Everything.
So many great book recommendations. Stop in and visit us at our libraries. We love to see you and talk with you and help you find all the amazing things.
Yes, definitely.
So, and Duke's here too, but he's pretty chill tonight. So, let's see. Hi, buddy. You gonna make some guacamole with us? Okay, so I think what we should do is probably get working on the dressing.
Yep, sounds great.
Okay, you ready for the avocado hack?
We have an avocado hack.
Okay, so you can walk us through it.
So, have a bowl, one that you can fit all of your avocados in, and then like a heat rack with little tiny squares.
Yeah, this is our cooling rack.
Yeah, cooling rack.
Cooling rack, heat rack, cooling rack.
Same thing.
Then what do you do next?
Now, grab your avocados. We have sliced them. You put them down and you just smush.
Which is kind of fun.
Yes, definitely. That's why I like doing it.
Yeah, awesome.
And now you have all of your avocados out.
And you have like perfectly diced avocado. Isn't that so cool? Oh, I lost some on the counter too. It's okay. You want to do some more?
Yes.
Because we're going to use, so this dressing is called spicy avocado dressing. So again, if you don't like the spicy factor, I'm sure you can adjust it. Careful so you don't get those skins in there. But we are also, it calls for a half an avocado, 2 small garlic cloves, a half a red chili. We're actually going to use jalapeno in ours, and then some olive oil, 3 tablespoons of olive oil. And then we love cilantro. Obviously, we already said that. So we are actually going to add some cilantro into our dressing as well. I think that would be super tasty. What do you think, Mars?
Amazing.
It says to blend it. Well, our blender is not really cooperating these days for us. So we're going to use our food processor.
Yes, but it still works. Doesn't matter. And if you don't have a blender,
you could use a mixer,
yeah.
Or you could just hand smash it, right? That's like fun. Getting them all in there?
Yes.
Nice. Awesome. So we're going to save some of that for our salad prep. What am I getting? I'm getting... All right. Okay. We're going to take some of this.
And you have perfectly sliced avocados.
And I'm going to walk over to my food processor. Okay. So I'm going to steal some of this. Will you, let's see, I'm trying to think what we need to bring over that, sorry, what is it, the garlic in the jar? And yes, we kind of cheated because we just started doing the garlic in the jar, but that's why we never have enough time, But come later in the season, my mom and my sister both grow fresh, different kinds of variety garlic in their gardens, and so we will be blessed with tons of fun varieties of garlic. Yep, and do, a teaspoon of that. Perfect. And then I'm gonna put in a healthy amount of jalapenos. And then, do you wanna, well, what else am I missing? No, I think that's it, right?
I think that's it, yeah.
Olive oil, 3 tablespoons. Woo, this is looking good.
Delicious.
Well, I hope this turns out.
I think it will.
Okay, it's gonna get loud for a second.
Okay,
All right,
plug your ears.
Here we go. look.
And we're done.
Almost. And it could be kind of chunky, or if you like it more smooth, I think we should have it nice and smooth. If you need to, you can always add water or more olive oil. Ooh, all right.
Nice and smooth.
That's looking pretty smooth. I feel like it should be maybe a little... I think it said in the recipe, let me check. It says... Oh, you are supposed to put 3 tablespoons of water in there too. Whoops. Let's try that again. I'll add that in. See, isn't it fun cooking with your mom?
Totally.
Are you reading any good books right now?
What?
Oh, you are. Sorry, I'll let you talk about it.
Yes, I'm reading a great book right now. It is by,
Kwame Alexander.
Kwame Alexander. What is it called again?
Oh, I can't remember the name of it.
Shoot. It's up in my room right now.
Check out the books by Kwame Alexander. Good stuff.
Amazing.
Amazing.
Like my favorite author right now.
Mm-hmm.
But
Okay.
tell us in the comments, do you have a favorite book right now that you're reading?
That's a great idea. Yeah, we would love to hear that. Oh, here we go. Now we are rocking and rolling. Oh boy, I need a spatula.
Oh boy.
You know, the other thing about this recipe that I was thinking about, oh, here I come with my spatula, was if you could add a protein.
Yeah.
Right? We talked about that?
Mm-hmm. But we're not going to do that, and I guess we already did it, so.
But you could do like grilled chicken, grilled steak, maybe even shrimp. I mean, there's, if that's your fancy.
I love shrimp. I'm a shrimp girl. So if you love shrimp, go ahead.
Ooh, you could do like blackened shrimp. Yum! I'm getting hungry.
I know, me too. You're making me hungry with all of them.
How's this looking?
Whoa, that's really smooth.
I forgot the cilantro. That's okay. Take a little lick. That's good.
And you would also add cilantro in there, but
I think we gotta add cilantro. It needs it. Let me put I'll just take like a big, I think it'll be so good in there. What do you think of the dressing?
ooh, it's yummy. It's a little spicy.
Yeah, it's supposed to be. Okay, so while I'm doing this, why don't you start assembling the bowl? Like, see how the picture is?
Yeah.
So there's your lettuce over there.
Awesome. So we're gonna start with some lettuce. And you can really put it like wherever you want. You can make a huge bowl and everything. We're just kind of gonna
Get loud again.
Oh boy. And then grab your red pickled onions and put that right in the middle.
There we go. Now we're rocking and rolling, Marks.
Yes, so I'm just gonna do that right in the middle, and you can put your things wherever you want. You can kind of eyeball it, but I'm just gonna look at the picture and go from there. And then some cilantro right there, and some beans. I'm gonna grab a spoon for that real quickly.
So again, this is what we're working off of. I love the photography in this book.
Amazing, I agree.
Oh, and what else did she serve with it at the top?
Tortilla chips, your favorite.
My fave. Oh, the other thing that we're adding that's not in the actual recipe is some cheese.
We love cheese.
Because everything is better with cheese.
Yeah.
Okay, what else you got to?
Some more avocados.
Oh, you need the picture? I'm sorry.
Oh, you're good. I can see it. But also,
Okay.
and then some
Tomatoes.
tomatoes.
Yeah, might have to make more room for piles. This probably could be a little, I think it'll drizzle okay. Oops, sorry.
You're good.
And then you can do
Some corn?
whatever. Oh yeah, do we have room for corn?
Maybe. There. All right, we got the corn.
Ooh, that's smelling really delicious.
Yeah, can I do it kind of over?
Sure, you can mix it. Yep, I like it. Looks good. And then we just are gonna drizzle with our dressing, right?
Yeah. Looks amazing.
How am I gonna do this? I think I should have added a little more. I want to do it all pretty.
Yeah, the photography, again, really well.
Oh boy, it's a little thick. You got a trick for that?
Hey, you're messing up my mojo.
Oh boy. You want to show your mojo?
And we have it all finished.
Okay, we have a little work to do with the dressing, but it looks fantastic. Should
Yes.
we do a quick little taste test?
Yes, should I
Grab a couple forks. Oh, did you want some cheese in there?
Yes, just on the top is fine.
Do a little sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle.
I love cheese.
This is Monterey Jack, one of our faves.
Alrighty.
Okay, what do you, yeah, and you know, you could mix it all together, otherwise you could just sample. Oh my gosh, this looks good.
I need some avocado.
I know, I'm like, I want it all. Oh,
Cheers.
cheers to a bowl.
Whoa.
That is packed with flavor.
Oh my gosh, that is so good.
That's a winner. Yes. We're speechless.
That's amazing. Wow.
Oh my goodness. Yum.
I need some more. I mean,
All right. Well, thank you to Ella Mills and Healthy Made Simple. Thanks to Carver County Library for helping us find a brand new cookbook to try. Very exciting. Hey, come and see us this summer at the library.
Sorry, I'm filling my stomach with that because that is amazing.
Did you get one of those onions? That's what I want to try. Oh, I'm stealing your fork. Here I go.
Then I'm stealing your fork.
Here I go. Mmm.
Whoa.
Adds a little bit of crunch.
Mm.
Mmm. I like it. All right. We are signing off from Cooking in the Kitchen.
It was awesome.
Thanks for joining us.
Yes, and have a great day.
And let us know what you're reading and what you're doing all summer.
Yes, don't forget to put that question in the comments. That's our question of the day. That's where we're at it.
I love it.
A question of the day. Love that.
See you at the library this summer.
Bye.